Good morning, students. I am Ms. Republica Borgohain, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati, Department of Pharmaceutical Science. So today I will be discussing about what is fatty acids. So fatty acids, they are the simplest form of lipids. The aliphatic monocarboxylic organic acids with hydrocarbon side chain. Fatty acids are included in the group of derived lipids. So most common component of lipids in the body is fatty acid. Free fatty acids, they are formed only during metabolism. And the general formula for fatty acid is RCOOH, where R denotes the alkyl or the hydrocarbon chain and COOH, it denotes the carboxyl end. It occurs mainly as esters in natural fats and oils. So even an odd carbon fatty acids. So fatty acids that occur in natural lipids are of even carbon, that is usually 14 carbon or 20 carbons. This is due to biosynthesis of fatty acids, which mainly occurs with the sequential addition of 2 carbon units. Palmitic acid that has 16 carbons and stearic acid that has 18 carbons, and that is the most common. Then in case of propionic acid, it has 3 carbons, and in valeric acid, it has 5 carbons, and are common odd chain fatty acids. Now the nomenclature. So discussing about the nomenclature of fatty acids, we can say it is we can say the suffix that is an enoic acid for saturated fatty acid, enoic acid for unsaturated fatty acids, enoic, that is ANOIC, that suffix is for the saturated fatty acids, and ENOIC acid, that is enoic, is for the unsaturated fatty acids. So here the hydrocarbon chain in the carboxyl group, it is being divided as CH3, CH2, 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 COOH. So carboxyl group is in the first position and the methyl group is in the 8th position. So this is the hydrocarbon chain, and in the last it is the carboxyl group. So as there is the 8 carbons present, so octane plus acid, it denotes the octanoic acid, and the common name for this is caprylic acid. Now the numbering system. The carbon atoms are numbered from carboxyl group as 1. So the denoting the number, it starts from the end part, that is from the carboxyl group. The carbons, that means the carboxyl group's carbon is calculated or counted as the first carbon of any acid. The carbons adjacent to this are 2, 3, 4, etc. or alpha, beta, gamma. The carboxyl group carbon is C1. Next carbon atom is C2, that is alpha carbon. Next is beta, and so on. Last carbon atom, or the CH3 group, it is denoted by omega or N carbon. So here is the numbering of fatty acids. So the butyric acid, that is numbered, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. So the from the last part which we can say, that is butyric acid, the C is denoted as 1. For the second carbon, it is the C is denoted as C2, that is alpha, or we can say we can give the 2 position, and for the third we can use 3 or beta, and for the last methyl group we can use it 4 or gamma, or we can denote it as omega. So this is the numbering system for fatty acid. Then the general formula of fatty acid is, that is CH3, CH2 and COOH, and its ionization occurs at pH 7, which separates the hydrogen atom. So now discussing about the general structure of a fatty acid, we can say that fatty acids are amphipathic molecules composed of a hydrophilic, that is polar or ionized head, formed by the carboxyl group, and a hydrophobic, that is nonpolar or non-ionized tail, formed by the hydrocarbon chain. The degree of solubility of a fatty acid depends on the length of the hydrocarbon chain. So the CH3CH2 end part is the hydrophobic hydrocarbon chain, and the COO minus, that is the hydrophilic carboxyl group, that is ionized at pH 7. So the first part, that is the hydrophobic hydrocarbon chain, we can term it as the nonpolar part, where the water is insoluble in nature, and the COO minus, that is the hydrophilic part, we can term as the polar part, where the water is soluble. So in my next video, I will be discussing about the classification of fatty acids. So this was the general definition and the general structure of a fatty acid, which I had discussed in this video. Thank you.